All right, Darrell Stafford with Catalysis Additive Tooling. What we have here is 3 tools, all with Catalysis 3D printing technology: a Thermoforming tool, a CNC Trim Tool, and a QC Check Fixture. All these tools printed in 3 hours, so about a week and a half processing. So you can see a 100 RA finish here, fully 100% porous. So we're pulling over the entire surface of the part, gives you better material distribution. CNC Trim Tool with the vacuum areas here, and then over here is the the QC Check Fixture, with the lines, so you can put the part on here and check for the quality.